Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the date format in Microsoft Excel. Simply select the dates like this. Go over here into this number group. Click on this dialog box launcher. Down over here, you can see we have this option locale or location. Currently, it has been set to English United States. So this was a sample that was applied in our case. You can choose this type, and so many other variants are given over here. If you look closely over here, you can see it's the month that is being given first, then the day, and finally the year. Let's change it to some other location. I'm gonna choose India. So here we have English India option. Select it, and there you can see it has been changed to a different type. Let me click on OK, and there you go. Now you can see it's the day that is being listed first, followed by the month, and finally the year. In this way, you can change the date format using Microsoft Excel.